Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With the festivities being over and the lanterns being stored away, I think it's the perfect time for a day of detox to cleanse ourselves of all the toxins and all the extra festivity calories. So let's just jump right into it. Skip salt, sugar and oil entirely for a day. Indulge yourself in your favorite veggies as they're going to help clean out the system so well. Don't forget to add dollops of fruits so rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They're so necessary post a festive celebration. We all love to get dolled up during the festive season, but it just means that extra product build up in our hair. This DIY recipe is a perfect cleanser for the scalp. Make sure to take the ingredients and blend it well in a blender to get a smooth texture for easy application. And click in the description box below for the entire recipe. Leave it on for as long as you want and just wash it as usual. If you have clogged pores with a makeup buildup, then double cleansing is your answer. I'm starting with the Clinique's micellar water over here and I am just going to be cleaning up my face, after which I'm going to add a nice collagen cleanser. With winters, it's just necessary to get that extra moisture in. I'm not going to stop at this. If you want, you can steam up your face, but because my face is already dry, I'm going to be using a charcoal mask and I'm going to apply that and leave it on for a good 20 minutes. It's going to draw out any impurities that are there in your skin. A little tip while cleansing is that you want to use warm water while cleansing, but splash cold water to close the pores after you're done. Take the mask off with circular motions. So that's it from my end, guys. Hope you had a lovely Diwali and you found these tips helpful. Do share with me what you like to do to detox. I'm sharing a few pictures from my house over here and I hope you guys had a lovely Diwali, and here's me wishing you a Saal Mubarak. If you like the content, give it a big thumbs up, do share and please do subscribe. Until next time, I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.